Hank here from Kegworks. Today we'll be making a cocktail with a recipe that is highly contested, a martini. Gin, vodka, olives, lemon twists. Dry vermouth is about the only constant in the myriad of martini variations, and even that is being challenged as martinis with ratios of 15:1 and higher are commonplace today. There are a few different stories about the exact origin of the martini, but one of the earliest books that include a martini recipe was the Hoffman House Bartender's Guide, published in 1905, and it is a very different recipe from the martini we know today. Their recipe used gum syrup, bitters, curacao, or absinthe if requested, and equal parts vermouth and Old Tom gin. As soon as 1913, the martini had evolved into 2 parts gin, 1 part vermouth, and orange bitters, as listed in Straub's Manual of Mixed Drinks. And of course, the recipe has continued to evolve to this day. Today, we'll be making ours similar to that 1913 version, but you should experiment to find your perfect martini. Try different ratios, different bitters, different gins or vodkas, or add olive brine and try it dirty. One last tip before we make our cocktail. Use fresh vermouth. Vermouth has a short shelf life once opened. It is a fortified wine and as such will only last about a month in the fridge. If you store it on your bar cart or in the pantry, expect 1 to 2 weeks before the flavors change for the worse. To make our gin martini, we'll start by chilling a martini glass. Next, add ice to a mixing glass, then add 2 ounces of London dry gin, 1 ounce of dry vermouth, 3 dashes of Reagan's orange bitters. Now stir until well chilled and diluted. Drain the cocktail into your chilled martini glass. Garnish with an orange peel and enjoy. There you have a gin martini. Again, I encourage you to experiment and find your perfect martini. Or, if you already have a preferred recipe, share it below in the comments. Head to kegworks.com to find everything you need to make your perfect martini. Cheers!